Hi everybody, I've got a surprise for you. Meet my brand new BMW i4 full electric vehicle. It's a big car and magnificent. I wanted to have a sports feel for this, so I customized it with 3 ingredients. First of all, I wanted a panoramic roof, of course. So there's a panoramic roof on top, which can be opened. Good for the summer months, but also good to show off, of course. Second ingredient is, of course, leather seats. I will show that. And third ingredient is a good sound system. So let's showcase the panoramic roof. Nice windows as well. So panoramic roof, there is this button that you can use. Then you can open the panoramic roof. Let's close it. Nice, right? Leather seats, I chose Tacora Red Sensatec leather. Of course red, because that's how a sports car needs to look like. It's a very nice color, dark red. Back as well. Very good quality. The third thing is, of course, the sound system. We have 17 speakers for this. That's a Harman Kardon system, right? 2 speakers on the front, a mid-range speaker and a tweeter, then 3, 4 here, 3 and 4, and same here, 5, 6 on the door panels. 7 and 8 is woofers beneath the seats, and they will give you the bass sounds. And then 9, 10 on the rear seats, 11, 12, 13, 14 on the back, 15, 16 on the other back. And then we have, of course, the last speaker, which is actually an amplifier. So let's take a look. Amplifier can be found here. Harman Kardon system. Let's showcase the Harman Kardon system. I don't think you can hear it clearly as me, but this is full surround sound. You can use this USB stick. Let's listen to Fountain of Below of Genshin Impact. Crystal clear sound. We're actually bringing the orchestra inside the car. And because this is an electric vehicle, it's also very quiet. There's no noise, so you can enjoy the music. You can hear all the instruments. So that was the demo, and extremely happy with this car. So hope you like this video and buy your own. You won't regret it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.